Hello! In front of me I've got Hogwarts Legacy, the game on the Xbox console Series X. In this video I'll show you how to change performance of the graphics on the console. Firstly, let's go to settings, and now let's enter the display options. As you can see on the top of the list, we can change performance mode. Simply enter it, and now we can select between fidelity with ray tracing, and then we've got performance. If you want to select fidelity with ray tracing, you'll have to reboot the console. Performance gives you a high frame rate mode, favoring performance. Fidelity gives you a high fidelity rendering mode, favoring resolution and graphical quality. Fidelity with ray tracing gives you a higher fidelity rendering mode, featuring ray tracing. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.